Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am, because it's the last day I'm gonna have to use these as my primary source of lighting. And that is because of what's in this box. So welcome to episode 2 of, I guess you could call it What's in the Box, or Unboxing Tech, or something like that. And today we have better tech and more tech than last episode, which was around 6 or 7 months ago. I don't know about then. So actually in this box there's only one item of tech. Well, I guess you could call it 3. But that's because this did not ship with everything else I ordered. This decided to ship in 2 days, even though I got free shipping. So that is a win-win for me. So of course I wanted to film the second part of this video when all the other tech comes with good lighting. So that kind of gives some of it away, but I'm going to unbox this now so that the second part in, I don't know, 4 days is going to have good lighting. So once I unbox this, I will never have to use my reading lights as lighting again, unless I go away. Alright, so I think I'm going to start unboxing now. I'm kind of excited, actually. It's kind of late though, so I kind of have to be quiet, but got my scissors right here. So let's go ahead and unbox. Alright. There we go. Alright, another box. Okay, so basically, I don't know if you can tell what this is now. I mean, I kind of gave it away and said it was for lighting. Let's see if you can figure it out. I just don't really know where to put all this stuff here. I'll put it there. I don't know what's in there. This must be a bag. No way. Let's take this out of the box a little bit. The first one. I know what it looks like. It looks like a tripod, which I really need because I am filming on a chair, my computer case box, and then a remote control helicopter box with my Gorilla Pod. That is what the camera's on right now, and I'm really scared it's gonna fall. This does look like a tripod. It's not a tripod. I mean, it is a tripod, but it's not a tripod for a camera. Wow. Yep, another tripod. Just unboxed. Yep, it is. It's another tripod. Alright, I don't know what this could be. This is probably... Oh, that just gave it away, didn't it? Yep, okay. I know what this is. Ow. I've cut myself twice now. It's not even a paper cut, it's a cardboard cut. Careful, because that kind of scared me when I opened that light bulb last time. So I can only imagine what this is going to be. So now I have 3 light bulbs, 3 tripods, a longer arm to extend one, and then this, which I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was. I mean, what else would it be? A soft box. So yeah, I'm gonna open the other ones up and then set them up, and I'm gonna film the setup, and then hopefully part 2 of this video will have much better lighting. Alright, time to set these all up. Hopefully they work. Wait. Oh, there, that's easy to do. Yep, this looks like that, and then you just tighten it on. That's sideways though, I'm not sure how I feel about that. You know what I realized? I realized I should put the light in first. So this should work now, hopefully. Alright, it's time to see if this thing even works. Let's see. That looks so much better. These reading lights look yellow compared to this softbox. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick lighting test right here, and then I'll probably see you guys in the next section. Yeah, I was trying to think of the word to say. I couldn't think of it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next section after I set the rest of these up. Alright, so quick update. Obviously, they work fine. And I still have one more to set up, but this is like the one, it kind of came with this extra attachment. Basically, I can make it taller and kind of put it like overhead. This is good for when I'll be filming, well, attempting to film straight down on something, so that I can get a light right above as well as from both sides. So this is going to be a really nice one as well. Yeah, now I guess it's time for the other boxes to ship. I think I have 5 more things maybe that are coming. I'll see you guys in a couple days, but with the magic of editing, it'll be a couple seconds. So anyway, I'll see you guys in part 2. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2. Alright, I'm back, and as you can tell, the lighting's a lot better. Alright, so I tried my best to focus this, but this camera really doesn't have great autofocus. Maybe because it's been dropped a couple times, but it just does not focus on my face, so I have to manual focus every time. And that doesn't really work. So I tried my best, hopefully it's focused. If it's not, whatever. So these actually came a day early. They were supposed to come tomorrow, but they came today, Wednesday, instead of Thursday, so why not open them early? So, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this. Actually, I'll show you these first. These are foam panels. They're the same as the red foam panels back here. I got these before this, like a month ago, but I was waiting until I got more to put them up. Okay, so right off the bat, can't see. Alright, right off the bat, we got more. So yeah, I got more of those, so now I have 2 more sets and I'm going to put them on that wall. I know you can't see, but I'm going to film the setup after anyway. Let's do this Amazon Basics box. So this is an HDMI to mini HDMI. So what I think this will do is that it'll make me able to use my camera as a face cam, like if I ever wanted to stream. Or if I was going to do like a reaction or anything, instead of filming a clip on my camera and recording my screen, then putting them together and syncing the audio, figured this would just be a better option. Next, I guess we'll just do these command strips, obviously to hang up my foam panels. Next, actually I only have one more thing in this box after, but basically this, if I can get it open, is a cherry key switch tester, which I am excited about and probably going to do a video on. I have scissors. I forgot. That worked. Alright, another keycap puller. I have like 3, 4 now. This also comes included with O-rings, so I've never put O-rings on actually. So I'm going to test what the O-rings feel like. You guys want to hear some ASMR? So these are all the Cherry MX key switches. There's 9 of them. Let me see if this key switch puller actually works. Oh, it pulls the whole switch. Alright. The last thing. So you may notice I haven't had my RGB light strip on in a long time. You know why? Because it broke. So I got more. This is just about the same thing as my old light strips. I don't know what the difference is. Same length, same remote, same power brick, same light strip. Okay, so now that we have everything open, I'm just gonna film the setup, I guess. guys, that is going to wrap it up for the episode 2 of What's in the Box. I think I'm going to call it that. If you guys enjoyed, feel free to go down and drop a like. If you guys didn't enjoy for some reason, then go down and drop a dislike. And if you guys have any suggestions for me, just comment them down below. I do try and reply to a lot of comments, but sometimes I forget. Like, someone actually told me to make gaming videos. Well, we kind of have a problem with that. I'm going to try, but I don't really play games. So I'll try to make a gaming video for you guys to see how games actually perform on this PC, because I know I've done a lot of PC videos, but I haven't actually showed how games play, except my benchmarking video, which only had like a 5-second clip of Fortnite. That was like my only kill in Team Rumble. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go subscribe, and that'll show me that you guys do enjoy these videos and want more of them. Alright, so the person that commented first on my last video, I don't think he actually meant to. It's my cousin Mike, and he was actually asking what editor I use. So I guess I'm just going to tell all you guys. The editor I use is DaVinci Resolve 15. I don't know if they're on like 15.2 now or something like that. It's like DaVinci Resolve 15.2, but basically this is probably the best free editor you can get, because it has stuff like color grading and audio editing and everything like that that a normal paid editor like Adobe Premiere Pro would have. Obviously, it doesn't have as many features as Premiere Pro, but it is still an amazing editor, and it's everything I need, especially since I don't really edit that complex of a video, so I don't really need that complex of an editor either. But basically, guys, if you don't know how it works, starting around my first video, 2019, I'm doing a shout out for the person that comments first on the last video. So if you comment first on this video, next video you'll get a shout out. So if you want to comment first, turn the post notifications on so you can get notified right when I upload. So you can just click on the notification, scroll down, and comment first, or comment whatever you want. Like in this case, Mike commented what editor to use. So anyway, guys, that is going to wrap it up for episode 2 of What's in the Box. More episodes might be coming soon. If I order anything, it'll probably be a tripod, because I cannot really use this GorillaPod with this table much longer. So yeah, anyway guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, peace out.